So magandang araw kabola, sa video na pag-uusapan natin kabola, yun po ang number 1 pick po kabola na hawak kayo ng Terra Firma for the upcoming draft. Of course, alam naman natin Zamboanga Valientes daw kabola, or tuloy na yung pagbili dito. Now ang tatanungin ko lang, sino yung top 3 teams na dapat i-consider na mag-offer po for that number 1 pick? Suggest po tayo ng tatlong teams. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Start po muna with this news kabola. So meron na pala pong date, no, yung start po ng training kabola itong ating Gilas Pilipinas for that FIBA Asia Cup kabola, and that will be July 7 kabola. So grabe, no, ito pong si Coach Tim Cone kabola, no, ano na naman siya, lagari na naman even his coaching staff kabola, diba? Pero again, tinanggap na kasi yan kabola, pero again sinasabi naman na natin dati, kung pwede sana kabola, mamili na siya, diba kabola? Kung sana makapag-focus po sa Gilas, I think malaki po yung tulong for the build-up of our Gilas national team kabola. Now, ito po palang kabola, itong si RJ Abarientos kabola, which the best player ng Game 3 kabola. Pangit yung Game 1, Game 2 niya, pero in-explain niya bakit daw gumanda sa Game 3, kasi nga po sabi daw ng coaching staff sa kanya, he should just keep shooting kabola. Now, of course, matagal naman natin itong naririnig, no? Kapag shooter ka daw, you just keep shooting kabola. Pero still, di ba, inefficiency is inefficiency kabola. Doon lalabas actually yung mga inefficient na player. And that will also be the case kabola kung hindi maayos na Barrientos yung kanyang efficiency. Di ba? Darating yung time na magko-conclude po yung coaching staff kabola ng Ginebra or yung management ng Ginebra, wala eh. Inefficient talaga siya player. And if that happens kabola, bababa na po yung kanyang trust kabola, yung trust po ng coaching staff po sa kanya, and even the role kabola, pwede na po yung bumaba. So talagang si RJ Abarientos kabola, he needs to continue developing his game kabola. He's a very special player, pero alam naman niya siguro kabola na malayo pa siya dun sa gusto niya pong marating kabola. And then of course kabola, ito din pong si Coach Chot Reyes, gumawa na naman po ng skandalo, diba? Kasi sinipa niya kabola yung mismong player niya kabola. Yung nakakagulat si Game Aurin, sinipa niya kabola, kaya madami nagulat, diba? Tinignan yung video, what's happening, diba kabola? So explain ni Coach Chot Reyes kabola na in a way naging insubordinate daw itong si Kim Aurin, kasi may instruction po siya na hindi sinunod po ni Kim Aurin, kaya naman nagalit siya kabola, napasipa dito po kay Kim kabola. Of course, we are not a fan of those type of attitude kabola, diba? And even the fans din naman, hindi po sila fan ng mga ganyang klase po ng attitude kabola, kaya naman madami pong nag-react. Now kabola, of course, yan yung current po na build up nila, yan yung kanilang current na culture. So kung nare-retain naman nila yung ganyang kabola, di walang problema, diba kabola? Pero still, diba, it could be a show up of the cracks kabola currently sa culture po nito nga pong TNT kabola. Now, again, ang pag-uusapan natin is all about the number 1 pick of Terra Firma kabola. And the assumption is, of course, if matuloy po yung sale po ng Zamboanga, of course, Zamboanga can consider kabola trading the pick, diba kabola, para mapunta sila dun sa kung ano mang gusto nilang direksyon kabola. Kaya naman sa amin, we will suggest the top 3 teams that we believe should really consider trading for that number 1 pick. For me, Rain or Shine should try to consider that. Kung talaga independent team sa Zamboanga kabola, and they want to have a loaded team right away, one thing that they can do is actually to trade with Rain or Shine. Rain or Shine will hold 2 first round pick in this upcoming draft, so pwede sila mag-trade down kabola, and by trading down, they get 2 to 3 of those very good players po ng Rain or Shine na dinevelop po na itong sistema ni Coach Xing Yao, diba kabola, no? So kung baga mangyayari dito kabola, quantity for quality. So yan yung pwede i-consider po ngayon ng Terra Firma / Zamboanga Valientes. Pangalawa dyan kabola will be Northport Batangbir. Bakit po Northport Batangbir? Again, it's possible trade down lang naman po ito kabola, pero of course Northport kabola, they would want to get the number 1 pick para makuha po yung quality player na either point guard or isang center kabola that they badly need kabola. And then of course the possibility na magkaroon din ng sale kasi yan kabola, at independent din yung makakuha. And then number 1 natin kabola na sa palagay natin talaga mag-consider will be no other than the Meralco Bolts kabola, kasi nga po they failed to defend their Philippine Cup title, so may kulang, diba? May kulang kabola. So again, another bit trade down the current pick po ng Meralco, alamang number 7 yan or number 6 for the, then add po sila kabola ng player na kailangan po ng Terra Firma and get that number 1 pick. So for Meralco Bolts, again, they will get that quality player, kabola, maybe QMB, maybe Michael Phillips, kabola, while ito naman po may Terra Firma, they will get the quantity. Kabakabal, sa pagkain mo, sino sa mga tatlong teams na to ang dapat mag-offer? Comment lang po sa baba.